Good morning, Chuck Mafia Jr. here. Today we are gonna make something special, really only made in Isaan, called Nam Jim Jail. It's just an Isaan dipping sauce. Nok Noi, you can come through. Nok Noi had her hair done beautiful yesterday. We're gonna make an Isaan dipping sauce for the Khao, which is the fried sticky rice patty for tonight. So Mafia is gonna show us how to do it. Okay, these are all the ingredients that are needed, and it's mostly just technique. So this morning she already toasted some tomatoes and peeled the skin off of them. And this is some toasted green onion. And of course, you guys know what that is. That is a lot of flavor right there. And we got a bowl full of cilantro. So what you're gonna need is something to shred everything up. Also gonna need some light soy sauce, some granulated white sugar.
Roti.
Roti. This is it's called roti. It's in Thailand. You could probably get this at any Asian store in the world. It's called roti. But anyway, you can use just regular chicken stock or chicken broth. Okay, pretty simple. Let's get started. I'm so excited. That recipe is used with a lot of different foods, like you could barbecue some chicken, you could barbecue some pork, beef, whatever you want to, and use that as a dipping sauce. That is a traditional Thai dipping sauce that's mostly used in Isaan. But Khao is so filling, and they keep trying to stuff them down my throat, but really one or two is good. Everything goes into, I'm just gonna tell you the ingredients, and Thai cooking is everything is to taste. So that was probably about, maybe I would say 3 teaspoons of soy sauce.
We can add.
Yeah, you always add to taste, right? But they don't know how it tastes, so we have to start out with some kind of basic ingredient, right? It's about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And that was pretty quick, huh?
A new one. Now, อร่อย
เสร็จแล้ว
เสร็จแล้วปั่นแล้วก็ชิมปรุงบะนี่ยังไม่ได้ชิมปรุงก่อน
Let's taste it before we put everything up in case we got to add some more stuff to it.
พอมันขึ้นหน่อยเนาะ
This is kind of similar to like a Mexican salsa. So obviously it needs a little bit more seasoning.
นี่มันจะอร่อยอยู่แล้ว
So now we have to add a little bit of the seasoning, roti.
Did you taste first?
Yeah, she just got to taste it, make sure that.
มาชิมอันใหม่ไม่ค่อยจะนัว
a little bit of fish sauce. So we just added an extra ingredient of fish sauce. Sometimes Thai food can be so confusing, but fish sauce is usually in everything. fish sauce will give it a little bit more salty
Yeah.
flavor.
And make the taste sharp เนอะทำให้รสมันพอแล้ว
Okay, let's give it a try.
เอาไหมโอเค
พอ
ไหม
ดีพอดีครับ
เอาพอดีกินเอานี่ก็พอแล้ว
I think it's got a little bit too much fish sauce in it, but it's pretty good. If you don't like fish sauce, you don't have to put the fish sauce in there. You can just use some regular salt.
ของเราไงอันนี้ของเรา
Fish sauce has a obviously a fishy, salty flavor to it, but it's part of Thai food,
เป็นยังไง
and
อร่อย
I don't know, they love it. I like it too. I couldn't stand the taste of it or the smell of it when I first got to Thailand, but I like it now. But if you don't want to use the fish sauce, you can just use regular salt too as well.
เอาน้ำตาลเอาละ
Or just a little extra soy sauce. A little bit of sugar is added to it to kick off the really to kick up the flavor. Sugar is added to it. Is that it? She said it's tasty loud. It's already tasty. Set now. Good stuff.
อ้าวพอเสร็จแล้ว
Nam jim gel.
น้ำแจ่ว
Nam gel.
น้ำจิ้มแจ่ว
Nam jim gel. อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
มาก almost finished พี่ชัก maybe the second round for the missing sauce for the แจ่วแล้วแม่นะ
ชิมเด็ดอร่อยมาก
Well, let's get a taste of this awesome gel right here. Nam jim gel.
ออมนกปลาไปออมไก่อาหารชูอย่าเพิ่งนะข้าวจียังไม่มาอย่าเพิ่งอิ่มยังไม่ได้ทำใจเย็นๆทำใจข้าวจีไม่หลายงานอยู่เช้าเหรอบ่ได้บ่ปิดได้ดอกต้องกินน้ำ
อร่อย
อร่อยไหม
Anyway, I hope you liked today's video of Nam Jim Jail, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye